Hello to all my Lovin light beings. Welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, aka my Alaskan Queen. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing. I did an order from OFRA for a $35 mystery bag, and I used the code OFRA20 for 20% off. So altogether it was $31.50, and that was including shipping. And I actually ordered it like 3 days ago and it already came. So I'm really excited about that. First off, there's this little card. I'm mine. Take us from me to me. And on the back, there's this little ad for some of their Valentine products. Oops, sorry about that. Came really packaged. Let's go ahead and get into it. I already took a sneak peek just to see what I was getting into. Oh, by the way, if you'd like to see how I created this look, please stay tuned for my next video and I'll explain why I look so crazy, but I had a lot of fun. And yeah, so very first off, it comes in this bag. I don't know if it's leather or faux leather, but it feels pretty real. It's nice and soft. It's this baby pink. It says OFRA, perfecting beauty every day. And there's quite a bit of stuff in here. First off, there's this little chilled out OFRA notepad, pink Post-its. And then there's these OFRA Cleanse It Off wipes. It says, you love your glam, but you also love taking it off. This is 15 pieces, 100% cotton wipes. And then there is this OFRA makeup cleanser. Makeup fix. A light refreshing mist that keeps makeup in place all day long. And it comes with this huge iPad. This chill pad for your eyes. It says, get chilled out. So it's got this nice little Velcro strap on the back and you keep it in the fridge. Then you just put it on your eyes. So there's 3 more things in here. There's this little tiny sample of long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Tuscany. So there's that. Nice mauvey pink. Kind of pinkish purple. And then there's a full-size OFRA long-lasting liquid lipstick. This retails for $20. It is in the shade Mina. So I'm really happy with these 2 shades. You could probably do like an ombre look with this Mina on the outside and Tuscany on the inner. So those are really pretty. And then what I was really excited about, the very last thing in here, is a highlighter by OFRA. And this is the highlighter All of the Lights. And there it is there. You can see it's got 4 different shades in it. There's like a pink, a gold, 3 different kinds of gold. Let's see if I can swatch them. This one's the one here. Let's go into the pink next. There's the pink color. In the top corner, It's more of like a coppery. Actually, that's more gold than that is. And then the very last one, that's the coppery gold. That's like a gold, and this is more of a silver shift to it. So this alone retails for $35, which I was really surprised. So basically you're paying for this and you get everything else free. And I did use the code OFRA20 for first-time customers. So that was really awesome. And that's it for my quick little haul, my mystery bag from OFRA. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I enjoy reading each and every single one of your comments. So please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. Here's Green. You'll see him again in my next video, but I just wanted everybody to say hi. Say hi, Green. Hi. Love you. Thank you.